So, today we're making Bissara, which is a very hearty, very delicious Moroccan soup that you can make really quickly with very simple ingredients. This is one of the few Moroccan soups that you can actually have for breakfast, which makes it very special. And I want to emphasize that if you make this and enjoy it with your entire family, I kind of recommend that you open the windows.
I prefer green split peas for this soup, but you can also make it with fava beans or half and half. All of the variations are considered authentic. It's just a matter of choice. We need lots of olive oil. I never heard someone say, "There is too much olive oil in my food," and if you meet such person, you should call the cops. We also need cumin and garlic, and some chili powder for plating, and finally, some salt and pepper. First, we need to wash and dry 500 grams or 1 pound of green split peas. Next, take a big knife and just smash the garlic cloves. You don't need to cut them, just smash them. Get some of that anger out. You need between 4 and 8 cloves. I personally love garlic and already in a stable relationship, so I'll go ahead and use 8. After that, drizzle 6 tablespoons of olive oil to cover the entire bottom of the pan. And on medium heat, brown your garlic. Lots of recipes just put everything in the pan and boil it, but honestly, I'm not going to miss the opportunity to get a little garlic confit going. After that, add 1.5 tablespoons of cumin, 2/3 of a tablespoon of salt, which is about 2 teaspoons, half a teaspoon of black pepper. Then add the split peas. After that, add 1.5 liters of water, which is about 6.5 cups. Increase the heat to medium-high, cover, and cook for a total of 40 to 45 minutes. Make sure you check it once in a while and move it so that it doesn't stick to the bottom. Also check for doneness. The peas will start to get soft and start to fall apart the longer they cook. Once the soup looks emulsified and you get that nice, thick bubbling sound, you know it's ready. This is the time where you must choose your own adventure. Some people like it watery, others like it thick. Personally, I like it right in the middle, so I will add 250 ml or 1 cup of hot water, then I will blend it. If you add too much water, you can just cook it a little longer to the consistency you like. But for me, this is perfect. Serve it with Moroccan bread, khubz, and here is a link on how to make it. Some black olives, and of course more olive oil, some cumin, and some chili powder. Drizzle some olive oil on top, trying to make perfect circles, and of course miserably fail at that. And finally, add some chili powder and some cumin. So thank you all for watching. I hope you make this at home, and if you have any questions, just leave them in the comment section. I'm always here to help. So I'll see you next time, or in another video.